All right, Robert, here's your 598 big block Chevrolet. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our ass cast heads on it. Got the Merlin block, custom grind camshaft, Edelbrock manifold. It is fuel management, Terminator X Max, Innovators West front end. Got the beautiful Billet Specialties on it. We'll go in there and make a run, see if it does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 696 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 711, peak horsepower 730, rated at 720, and it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. Now what we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple of other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. I have your engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature, a lot of tech stuff. I highly recommend plugging it in and watching it. It will definitely help your installation. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs there. Definitely if you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to lift you up. Have a great day.